Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to easily check if your Samsung Galaxy phone is original or fake. So to do this, first open the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on about phone. Now here you should see your phone's IMEI number. Now if you have a dual SIM phone, you will see a couple of entries here. Simply long press on any of the IMEI entry to copy the number. Once you have done that, simply open up your phone's web browser and search for Samsung product registration. Now click on this first link that appears. Now the website will redirect you to your country's website. Simply tap on this go to site option. Now once you are here, you will need to tap on this profile icon in the top right corner to log in with your Samsung account. If you don't have one already, you can create one. Once you have done that, simply tap on these three horizontal lines here. Now scroll down and tap on product registration. Now in here you should see all the products registered to your Samsung account. Now simply scroll down and tap on this register button here. Now here you will need to tap on this enter serial number or IMEI option. Paste the IMEI number that you copied earlier. Once you have done that, simply tap on this check option. So since my phone is already registered to my account, it is saying already registered. If you haven't registered your Samsung phone and it is original, you should see an option to register it now. However, if your Samsung Galaxy phone is fake, you should see a message that says the IMEI format is incorrect or the IMEI number is invalid. So this is a quick way to check if your Samsung phone is original or fake. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.